used them before in our last house, and we were really pleased, weren't we?
Yeah, we were really pleased with the service that we got, and the way that they kind of treated us as sort of individual customers, as if we were individuals rather than just yet another job. So they really stood out.
We also knew, because it's such an old house, that you know, they need to appreciate the fact it's an old house and it's not going to be straightforward necessarily, and so we knew that they'd be up for that.
Well, I mean, James is always a delight to work with. In fact, everybody's really delightful to work with. I mean, we got first-class attention from Stuart and from everybody really. It's hard to single anybody out because it's such a professional outfit.
Yeah. I mean, we had, you know, 6 people in the house sometimes.
Yeah.
And it was 5 weeks, so, you know, it was quite a long time. But they were always really polite, always asking us what we wanted. And yeah, we got on really well. They kept us informed every step of the way. And I really liked the way that both the fitters, Dan and Damien, worked with their apprentices. Because you could hear them actually showing them and teaching them how to do things, and we thought that was really good, because I think, you know, sometimes.
And not just the skills of the job either, but also the kind of the customer service aspect. They were kind of training them in working with customers too. So it was a really kind of well-rounded whole picture.
Yeah, they were no trouble. I mean, it is hard to single it out because, as you can see, it's just everything fits together.
It makes the best use of the space. I mean, I think the company really work hard to make the best use of the event, whether it's a big space or a small space. They're good designers. The design is really good.
I mean, our old bathrooms are pretty grim, so.
Well, they haven't.
And this is just lovely. I mean, you know, everything works, everything fits together, and. Yeah, it's lovely. We really just love it all. I can't single anything out.
My shower. I like my shower.